Welcome into this lecture here and in this module in which we're going to discuss and explain everything you need to learn about Microsoft Copilot. Now, the Microsoft Copilot that we're going to be using is the free version of Microsoft Copilot. I have to mention that there is a pro version to it. But to be honest, if you continue buying ChatGPT's pro version, Gemini's pro version, Claude's pro version, all of their pro versions, you'll end up paying $200 per month just for these chatbots. And you don't need to do so. I think that one of all of these is enough. And I think that if you're going to invest in a membership, it would be better off if you invested in ChatGPT 4. In this course or in this section, we're going to introduce you to Microsoft Copilot. So let's dive right into it. First off, Microsoft Copilot is for free. So there is a free and a pro version, but the free version of Microsoft Copilot is very special, and you're going to see why. And you can actually log into your Microsoft Copilot by just going to google.com and searching for copilot.microsoft, in which case it's going to give you the link. You can access it, but you'll have to create an Outlook account. Let me repeat. You'll have to create an Outlook account, and you can do so for free, right? So Outlook is available for free. You can create an account for free, and you can access this amazing tool that is capable of most of the things that ChatGPT 4 is capable of, and it's for free. So you can generate images with it, you can talk to it, and you can do pretty much most of the things that are enabled on ChatGPT 4 for free. Now, the only thing that I see as a difference is that GPT 4 gives you access to the GPT store in which you can create and sell GPTs. Here, you're not able to do that. Also, I see that ChatGPT is much better when it comes to writing text, so it is much more advanced. And also, you get access to so many other things in ChatGPT, such as the custom instructions and the tones and so on and so forth. And that's, I believe, is a winner for me. But apart from that, Microsoft Copilot is amazing. So go ahead and make sure that you create an account. Once you do so, you'll be logged into your Microsoft Copilot account, and this is how it looks like. It is pretty much similar to how most of the chatbots look. You'll be automatically on a new chat, or they call it here new topic, and you can start writing whatever it is you want to write. So here you have these conversation starters or these prompts that you can start with. So we can select this one, for example. If you click it, it will immediately start responding. It doesn't take that much time, and it will give you the response. Make sure over here that you don't, in the plugin section, that you don't disable the search, because the search is what's going to enable you to get real responses from the web. Now, what I see is the big difference between Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT is that Microsoft Copilot gets all of the response from the web. So the percentage of plagiarism is going to be extremely high, at an incredible high level. So if you're trying to use it to create blogs or books, it's not going to work, because you're just going to be in very big trouble with Google, because Google hates nothing more than basically plagiarized content. And Microsoft Copilot is kind of like a search engine. So what it does, it just goes onto many blogs and just cherry picks some content and pastes it in front of you. And of course, you can see here, for instance, the first response, the first country is Izmir, right? So, and here they're showing you where they got this answer. And here as well for Tuscany, Italy, they're showing you where they got the answer. So it's pretty much from the same website, but that will be extremely plagiarized. So you'll have a lot of plagiarism problems. So you cannot rely on it when it comes to writing content, right? You can maybe rely on it to brainstorm, to do a bunch of stuff, but not like ChatGPT, because ChatGPT and Gemini is also pretty much similar, but ChatGPT is quite the best, because most of the content, 99.99% of the content that ChatGPT provides with is content that has very low plagiarism degree, all right? And this is it. This is the start. This is how you can communicate at first with Microsoft Copilot. So I hope that you went ahead and already created your account on Microsoft Copilot, and I'll see you next lecture in which we're going to explore more features of this tool.